it's almost like a delicacy, more or less. Same way with chicken wings. No one wanted them. The poor people's food of today is a delicacy of tomorrow. True. What would you guys say the poor people's food of today is? August 23rd, 2022. Sunday, eat all the other stuff too. She's only eating the sweet potato. What the heck, Sunday? Thank my little sunny baby banana butt. Taco Bell. Damn it. Tater tots or waffle fries? Tater tots. I love tater tots. I have one more head that we're gonna cut. How about a smaller one? Anytime people start making food delicious, it turns out expensive. True. Yeah. Tater tots on top of a slurry with mixed veggies and mushroom soup. Boom, tater tot casserole. Down. 1,000,000% down. Tater tot anything, I'm down. Dude, remember when we did the remake of the Baconator from Wendy's? When we went to go buy one to do like the comparison? It was so much money. We spent like $22 on 2 fast food sandwiches. That's insane. Look how pretty that is. I love this camera because I can show you like the beautiful structure of vegetables and food, man. Salisbury steak, instant ramen, noodles, Friskies and milk. What the heck, Sticky? Are you eating cat food? Cat food's gonna be the new one. Little squares of lettuce. Still hurts my brain when you call her banana butt. Like how? Why? I have questions. No idea, dude. If I knew, I would tell you, but I don't know. It just started one day and just kept continuing. Isn't that the definition of a pet name, though? Just something super random? It's just greed. True. Well, they're capitalizing, right? It's supply and demand at that point, no? There is a lot of supply, but the demand is high, so they take the price up. And if you want it, you have to pay for it. Thanks, Royal. Enjoy your dinner. Love your face. Can't wait to see you in New Jersey. We're going to have so much fun going to Coney Island.
Oh my gosh, we got
Audrey!
Oh my gosh, we got a read!
Chat Audrey enjoys
Addie! Harley! Daffy! Hi, Audrey! Hi, Kenara! What's up, guys? Hi, Audrey! I love you!
Chat, welcome Mythicalia to the Chef Naming Network.
Mythical, hello, welcome in. So happy to have you here. What's up, Raiders? Audrey, what'd you make today? Sorry, I'm doing the Audrey. Hi, Oscar. How are you? Oscar? Can someone please sub Oscar to Audrey? Play Fall Guys with Audrey. Let's
Chat,
go.
welcome Hangu to the Chef Naming Network.
Hangu, welcome in. Nice to have you here. Welcome in, everybody. We're talking about what foods are like the poor man's food today that's gonna be super expensive in like next year. Because everything just gets expensive when it becomes popular. Make kimchi out of lettuce hearts? I feel like lettuce hearts won't be able to hang on to kimchi. It'll like deteriorate all.